नमस्कार मंडळी, वेलकम बॅक टू माय युट्यूब चॅनल रूपान्विता निमोणकर.
I really think you should.
So firstly, if you are new here, hi, I am Rupanvita Nimonekar. Please subscribe down below and become part of Roo Fam and witness my never ending journey. सब्सक्राइब के साथ साथ बेल आइकन भी हिट कर देना so that you get notified every time I upload a brand new video. And now talking about this video is a traditional lookbook और a festive lookbook video. तो 10 looks मैंने बनाए हैं जिसके अंदर एंड जिसमें अधिकतर प्लाजोज एंड स्कर्ट्स है. मेरे पास शरारा गरारा ऐसा कुछ था नहीं, सो दैट्स माई प्लाजोज एंड स्कर्ट्स एंड वन पीसेस. सो आपको वो पूरा एंड तक देखना पड़ेगा दैट हाउ आई स्टाइल्ड ईच पीस ऑफ क्लोथ. तो आई हैव अ लिमिटेड कलेक्शन ऑफ क्लोथ्स बट आई ट्राई टू यूज देम इन जितनी भी पॉसिबल वेज है उन सारी वेज में मैं उन्हें यूज़ करने की कोशिश करती हूँ. एंड that's what this video is about, to give you an inspiration about how you can put together the looks. आपके पास जो कपड़े अवेलेबल है आप उनको भी कुछ अलग ढंग में, कुछ यूनिक ढंग में, नए ढंग में स्टाइल कर सकते हैं. एंड दैट्स व्हाई आई एम मेकिंग दिस वीडियो. सो नाउ बहुत हो गया अभी इंट्रो अबाउट द वीडियो. नाउ लेट्स गेट इनटू द वीडियो.
For my first look, I have this wrap-up traditional printed skirt on with a basic blue plain top and some brown sandals. This look is a pretty simple look, so people who like to wear simple clothes yet look stylish, this is for them. I coincidentally had these matching earrings, so I've put them on. So this looks a very stylish yet a pretty simple and pretty easy-going look. I have put on some black metal bangles and this is the full and final look. For my next look, I have paired this basic blue top with plain palazzo and putting my long top over it so that it looks like a cape and parting my hair sideways. This look is a bit on a modern side, so the girls who like to get a modern look on festive seasons as well, you can go for something like this. For accessorizing this, I am putting this heavy bracelet on to complete the look. And some western pearl earrings. These were 3 different pieces of clothing in my closet which I've put together so that it looks like a complete outfit. So you also have to search for some matching and contrasting clothings that go together well so that it looks like a complete outfit. Girls like to wear modern clothing on festives as well. So you can wear modern clothing but in such a way that you still look festive. I am not focusing on makeup that much because this is a traditional lookbook. So you have to do makeup according to your looks. And this is the complete look. Next outfit is I've paired this kurti from my mom's closet with the same palazzo and braided my hair in the middle part. I've put on a bracelet and this is not my style but it actually looked good. I usually don't wear necklaces or complete sets, but this set went well on this look. And as this was pretty plain and simple, I decided to accessorize heavily. I had the matching earrings as well. And heels were also the same, the beige block heels. And this is the complete look. For my next look, as you have seen the previous videos, this is my favorite most skirt, a red plain skirt, and I've styled it with this top earlier, but this time I put on a traditional looking jacket which went well with this skirt, and braided my hair. For heels, I went for black heels because the back of this jacket is black, so I went according to that theme. I hope you understand what I mean. If you have not seen the video, I'll put the link in the description as well as on the screen. And for accessorizing this, I am putting this oxidized jewelry which had some pearls, and this is a complete look, perfect for Navratris. I know that we usually don't wear black on festivals, but I have paired this black kurti with a black and white palazzo and black block heels. That's a lot of black. But this look was my favorite most, so I decided to put it in the video. You can definitely try this one with any other color. I am pairing this with a triple layered oxidized earrings and silver bangles. This look is a complete me. I love this kind of looks, and I'm wearing a wristwatch as well. I've middle parted my hair and left them behind. I usually do that when I wear traditional. Tried to get a bit filmy, but talking about the look, this is a Patiala suit that I own. This is a very old suit. I'm pairing it up with pearl chappals, and I have put my hair in a middle part and clutched them up. Clutcher लगाया है simple भाषा में. Putting on these oxidized earrings. I have an obsession with oxidized jewelry. I don't know why. I just love whenever I wear traditional. Mostly I wear oxidized jewelry. A pretty elegant look. And next. Now for this outfit, I have paired this white long top with floral print along with this red skirt and some pearl chappals. This floral print went well with this skirt, so I decided to put this outfit together. I paired this with silver pearl dangling earrings because as this is a bit vibrant and white in color, the silver jewelry with pearls will do more justice to this outfit. I have this pearl bracelet on my hand and some rings. I have side parted my hair and braided them, and this is the complete look. For this next outfit, it is a maroon colored one piece, traditional one piece. I am pairing this up with pearl chappals, and for accessorizing this, I have this golden bracelet and this copper colored chain long earrings. As the neckline is stand collar, I will not put any chain or any necklace. I've braided my hair, middle parted and braided them. This outfit is perfect for the Diwali festivals and stuff because it's a bit heavy. Now for my next outfit, I had this orange long kurta which I've paired with golden lace palazzos and with beige block heels. I've not gone bold on makeup and hair. I've kept them simple because this outfit is a bit on heavier side. I am putting on some bangles and a ring. Then I have these full eared earrings. This is also a stand patti kurta, so that's why I am accessorizing more on my ears. And this is the whole look. And now lastly, there comes my favorite most look. So I have paired this golden top with the same lace palazzo, and I am pleating this dupatta. And as you can see, I am pinning the two ends of the, I've plaited the dupatta and then put the two ends together, and then putting on a kamarband so that the dupatta stays in place and looks fine. I've done a side part and clipped my hair up. This is the front and back look. Putting on some bangles and big earrings. I've put this look wearable. This is not too over the top. बहुत trial and error हुआ इसमें, but that turned out to be good. These are my golden jutis, and actually this top is from my actual Diwali outfit. And this is the final look, my most favorite one.
So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. That is it for this video. I hope you liked this festive lookbook, and I hope you enjoyed every look. हर look मैंने कोशिश की है कि मैं हर टाइप का लुक रखूं इसमें, और हर टाइप के बॉडी टाइप और हर टाइप की पर्सनालिटी को सूट करे ऐसा लुक रखा है मैंने. दिस इज़ माई फेवरेट मोस्ट लुक बिकॉज इसको बनाने मुझे बहुत मेहनत लगी है. मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब इसमें ट्रायल एंड एरर हुआ है, बट फाइनल लुक ये था एंड दिस टर्न्ड आउट टू बी प्रिटी वेल. प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब. अगर आप इस वीडियो को जितना ज़्यादा लाइक करोगे उतने ज़्यादा नए लोगों तक ये वीडियो पहुँचेगी. सो प्लीज़ लाइक कमेंट आपका फेवरेट लुक. जितना ज़्यादा हो सके सपोर्ट करें, मेरी वीडियोस को शेयर करें, और ये वाली तो खासकर करें क्योंकि हर लड़की को यही रहता है कि फेस्टिवल्स पे अब वो क्या पहने. तो हो सकता है इस वीडियो से किसी को एक नया लुक मिल जाए, इस वीडियो से किसी को एक नई इंस्पिरेशन मिल जाए. और अगर आप कोई इसमें का लुक ट्राई करते हो तो प्लीज़ मुझे इंस्टाग्राम पे डीएम ज़रूर करना. मैं यहाँ पर मेरा हैंडल लिख दूँगी. बहुत ज़्यादा बोल ली मैं. अब स्टे होम स्टे सेफ, क्योंकि कोविड बहुत ज़्यादा फैल भी रहा है. तो प्लीज़ स्टे होम स्टे सेफ, enjoy your festivals, and keep loving, keep supporting. Lots of love.